What's up bafflers, James here. It's safe to say that AirPods have taken over. It's difficult to go anywhere without seeing them. The latest AirPods from Apple are around £160. If that's a bit outside your budget, I've found some wireless earphones that look very similar for only £10 on Amazon. As always, you'll find the best Amazon deals around the world using the Genius link in the description. Let's have a look. So eagle-eyed viewers around here may have noticed that this package is already open. Being honest, I completely forgot what this was. Not because I didn't remember I bought it, but because I had two things that both came in this very plain paper envelope, which really didn't give much away. So, let's take this out. Dun, 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 dun. So these headphones are called IT, or IT, and these are TWS headphones with Bluetooth 5.0. So the model number is IT9S. On the back, I think, yeah, it's just the same. On the side, we have a QR code as well as a website. So this is actually based in the UK. It is made in China. This seems to like be a UK company who's selling it. On the back, yeah, they've just repeated it around. So yeah, on the front, you may be able to see the picture. If I zoom it in like so. I'm not sure if that's going to focus. So yeah, the picture on the front looks very similar to Apple's AirPods. I like how they haven't literally just copied the packaging though. That I like how they've sort of gone a bit creative and put this sort of blue stripe and made it their own, instead of literally just making it look completely like an Apple product, which is just like a rip-off. So I have to see if the actual product looks like the product on the front or whether they've just used a stock photo. So let's open it up. So we have a charging cable, which is, oh, that's unusual. Look, the actual charging cable is a lightning cable. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting like most likely a USB micro B, but yeah, I wasn't expecting a lightning cable. Maybe they put real AirPods in the box, who knows? But yeah, something that from the original kind of packaging to what looks literally like a lightning cable. I mean, it is a lightning cable. Yeah, I think the originality has kind of lost it a little bit there, but we'll move on. And here is the AirPods themselves. They're not actually blue, they just put that tape around it. Is it supposed to cover up any logos? I don't know. And finally, we have the i9S TWS wireless stereo earphones instruction manual. So yeah, I've got English on one side. Oh no, it's literally just English. I was expecting it to have Chinese on the other side. Is there anything interesting inside here? True wireless stereo i9S TWS, real no wires design, individual left and right channel, hi-fi sound. We'll have to find out about that. Both the left and right earbuds are Bluetooth enabled, could be used separately or used as one pair. Pairing, so it comes up with the Bluetooth version is version 5.0 plus EDR, both sides ultra low consumption. Bluetooth mode is A2 DP, is A2 DP 1.3, HFP 1.6, HSP 1.2, AVR CP 1.6 and D 11.3. If you know what that is, let me know in the comments. Bluetooth frequency 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth range 10 meters of no obstacles. We'll have to find out about that. And battery capacity earbuds 50 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Charging dock is 350 milliamp hour optional. So it has like a battery built into the case as well. The standby time is 100 hours. That's a lot. And one pair earbuds mode is 60 hours. So here is the case itself. I'm assuming it's got the AirPods or earbuds or whatever they want to call it inside. And finally, just to remove this tape. Does this tape actually cover up anything, or is it just for protection? Who knows? Let's find out. And there we have it. So, if we open it up, we have the earphones. and then it just closes like that. Quite a nice open and closing mechanism. I was expecting it to be really clunky, but yeah, you can flip it open. I like that. So we have the earpods themselves, and stop it. And then we have the connection points at the bottom where the earpods charge. I assume it works both sides like the real one does. Cool. What does that even fit? That is a very
a few minutes later.
I'm not exaggerating it. It's there we go. Maybe it works better with a real lightning cable from Apple. Who knows? But yeah, this is. Oh, it works a bit better the second time. What about the other side? I think maybe it just gets new. Yeah, it works a lot better now. That noise is really noisy, I know. But yeah, after you plug it in the first time, it's fine. So let's take a look at the earpods. So from the outside, they do look very Apple-like. They even have a slightly glossy, not that you can really tell it in the camera, but they have a slightly glossy plastic to them. They are very, very light. Like, these are incredibly light. And then we have the charging connection at the bottom. Also, on a side note, someone's cutting down something with a chainsaw or some machinery, so you might hear in the background. They don't have that dot thing, but apart from that, they do look fairly similar. I do think they probably just use a stock photo of the real things though. From a distance, more importantly, you're really not going to even notice. I think these are slightly bigger than the official AirPods, but apart from that, they do look pretty legit actually. So to charge it up, I'm just going to plug it in now. The cable isn't very long, so hopefully this is in shot. And do you have any form of light? Or you can barely see it in the actual camera, but trust me, there is actually like a red flashing light here, so that lets you know it's charging. And it's all gone blue now.
Reviews on Amazon stated problems pairing both earphones together. This is because the user manual is wrong. Please follow these instructions to pair both earphones.
So to hook these up, you have to hold down the power button, so they both say power on. Then they're both going to be flashing red and blue. Go into Bluetooth settings and pair new device. So then you double tap one of the devices and it'll say connected. So I don't know if you've noticed, but another i9S has showed up. So they're all connected and ready to go. Also the camera up there has died. So here's proof that we're connected. So now to listen to them.
I've recorded the earphones separately to give you a sound test. Please wear headphones or earphones.
Right, so let's go ahead and test out some music. Quite good sound actually. Quite loud. Actually have some bass in it as well. They're definitely stereo as well. Very clear. Much better than I was expecting actually. Works with a bit of acoustic as well. Don't know if you can actually hear what's coming out of the headphones or not.
Hi Oscar. Now we know the sound, how good is the Bluetooth range? 10 meters requires 2 tape measures to test. I put my phone at the start of the tape measure and walked along. 2.5 meters, yep. 5 meters, yep. And finally, 10 meters, just about, yep.
So I don't know if you can see them a bit better in my ear. They're actually fairly comfortable. because I didn't really know what to expect. But they fit in the ear quite well. They're not going to fall out instantly either. So yeah, if you're moving around, I'm not sure about running, that would be a good test actually. But just like normal AirPods, you have to be careful not to sort of probably move around too quickly, otherwise it will just fall out. They feel comfortable, and yeah, not much to say really. You do notice they're in your ear, they're not like completely unnoticeable, but they're so easy just to put in your ear and you're done. So you don't even need to think about it, you just go like that, boom, you're done. But yeah, actually really impressed with these. I wasn't expecting much, I've got to be honest. But yeah, really good. And then when you're done, you can just pop them in your charging case. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Remember, you'll find the best Amazon deals around the world using the Genius link in the description. If you're new around here, hit subscribe and ding the bell icon to never miss out on another video. A true baffler isn't complete without some sweet merch from techbaffle.com/shop. That's all for now. Drop a like if you've enjoyed this video. Any questions, let me know down below. Until next time, follow me at TechBaffle and stay curious at techbaffle.com.